No store or bakery wants you to know this secret. Make it yourself and save money. In a blender, add a package of sliced bread. Next, blend and grind it all thoroughly. This, folks, is the perfect consistency. Now let's remove it from the blender. Transfer it to a container of your choice. Spread it out into a thin layer. Then bake it until it starts to crisp up. Don't let it brown, just crisp slightly. There you have it, folks. Homemade panko. Best part, it's incredibly cost effective. Try this at home, I'm sure you'll love it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Take care, everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching.